On July 2nd, 2025, NASA detected something that should not exist. A cosmic event so bizarre it breaks every rule we thought we knew about the universe. For 7 hours straight, NASA's Fermi telescope watched the longest gamma-ray burst ever recorded. Most of these bursts last seconds. This one kept going, and scientists had no idea why. Here's what happened. A black hole and a massive star were locked in orbit together, dancing around each other for millions of years. The star burned through all its fuel and began to die. As it died, something terrifying happened. The dying star started to swell up, expanding to hundreds of times its original size. It grew so large that it swallowed the black hole whole. But here is where it gets nightmare fuel. The black hole did not just disappear. It fell toward the star's core and started eating. Trapped inside the star, the black hole spiraled down to its heart and began ripping it apart from within. Like a parasite consuming its host. The black hole tore through the star's core, devouring it piece by piece, creating jets of energy so powerful they could be seen 8 billion light-years away. But here's the most disturbing part. The burst did not happen all at once. It repeated. Multiple times. Like a dying heartbeat. Scientists watched in real time as the black hole consumed more material, pulsed with energy, then attacked again. 3 separate blasts over 7 hours. Over 50 astronomers from around the world studied this event. They used the James Webb Space Telescope, the Hubble, and observatories across the planet. Their conclusion? This is a type of cosmic death we have never witnessed before. They are calling it a helium merger. GRB 250702b lasted 25,000 seconds. The previous record? 15,000 seconds. This explosion was so powerful and so bright that we could see it from 8 billion light-years away. To put that in perspective, this happened when the universe was less than half its current age. Every model scientists had for how stars die, how black holes feed, how gamma-ray bursts work, none of them predicted this. The energy signature was wrong. The duration was impossible. The location was bizarre. One astronomer called it a very unique explanation for a single unique event. Usually gamma-ray bursts happen one of 2 ways. Either a massive star collapses into a black hole in seconds or 2 neutron stars collide. Both create a flash of gamma rays and then nothing. The source is destroyed. But this burst kept firing, again and again, because the black hole was feeding from the inside. Scientists now believe we have discovered a third way stars can die. When a black hole falls into an evolved helium star, it does not explode the star immediately. It consumes it slowly, methodically from the core outward, spouting jets that blow the stellar remains to pieces from within. It is cosmic horror on an unimaginable scale. Even the galaxy where this happened is strange. Most gamma-ray bursts occur in small young galaxies full of new stars. But this one happened in a massive, dusty, ancient galaxy, 8 billion light-years away. Scientists think the environment itself might have played a role in creating this cosmic monster. The big question now is, how rare is this? Was GRB 250702b a 1 in a trillion event? Or have we just been missing them because we were not looking in the right places? With new telescopes coming online, like the Rubin Observatory, we might start finding more of these cosmic nightmares hiding in the dark. Here is why this matters. If helium mergers are real, they could explain other mysteries too. They might be connected to the gravitational waves we have been detecting. They could help us understand rare types of supernovae. They might even reveal new evolutionary pathways for how massive stars end their lives. Right now, NASA is preparing a press release with spectacular animations of what they think happened. But because of the government shutdown, it is delayed. Scientists around the world are still analyzing the data, writing papers, building models. Every week we learn something new about GRB 250702b. The light curve tells the whole story. Scientists measured sub-second variability, meaning the energy was pulsing every fraction of a second. That is the signature of a rapidly spinning stellar mass black hole, not a supermassive one. The spectrum was hard, meaning it was putting out the most energetic gamma rays possible. And it lasted 25,000 seconds. That is almost 7 hours of pure cosmic destruction. Imagine if you could watch this happen. You would see a bloated star, hundreds of times larger than our sun, glowing red and dying. Deep inside, invisible to your eyes, a black hole is spiraling down. It crashes into the core. Suddenly, jets of plasma shoot out from the poles at 99.9% the speed of light. They pierce through the star like cosmic spears. The star convulses. More jets. More destruction. For 7 hours straight. This all happened 8 billion light years from Earth. When this star died, Earth did not even exist yet. The light from its death has been traveling through space for 8 billion years, through expanding space, across countless galaxies, just to reach us now. And even from that impossible distance, we could see it clearly. James Webb Space Telescope confirmed it. GRB 250702b is the most energetic cosmic explosion ever recorded by humanity. It released more energy than 1 trillion suns. More than entire galaxies produce in a year. All from a black hole no bigger than a city, eating a star from the inside out. But mysteries remain. No bright supernova was detected afterward, which is weird. The galaxy it happened in is unusually dusty, which might have hidden the explosion. Scientists do not know if the black hole completely destroyed the star or if some remnants survived. They do not know if these helium mergers are rare or common. They do not even know if they have correctly explained what happened. What we do know is this. The universe just revealed a new way to destroy a star. A method so violent, so prolonged, so energetic that it broke every record we had. And somewhere out there, in the dark spaces between galaxies, it might be happening again right now. We just have not seen it yet. So what do you think? Is this the most terrifying way a star can die? Could there be even more extreme cosmic events we have not discovered yet? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more mind-blowing space discoveries, hit that subscribe button because we are living in the golden age of astronomy, and the universe keeps getting weirder. Thanks for watching, and remember, somewhere out there, a black hole is eating a star from the inside out.